Bitcoin has broken down under this really important key level that I was yesterday pointing out, $20,250, and we are now again jumping rope with the $20,000 level. But the question is, how low can Bitcoin actually drop here? Will we drop much lower? And what news have I found that can give us a hint why the Bitcoin price is dropping and to which level approximately? If you think that's interesting, then definitely stick around because we have a lot of content to go through here. And if you enjoy this content, then definitely click here, subscribe, and also leave a like and hit the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's get here directly into the Bitcoin chart. So I had shown you guys a couple days ago already here this rising wedge, and that I was expecting this to break down to the downside, and that I would also take then a trade once we're breaking here under $20,300 approximately. That was exactly what I also did yesterday. So I opened a trade here. I will show it to you in a second. So, and we are getting really close already to the technical target of that rising wedge. So congratulations to everybody that took actually a short already here in this region, guys. You're amazing. So that is the $19,700 level ish, and we went already to $19,833. So only $130 off from the technical target of this rising wedge here. So, but now obviously I know that you want to know what is the reason that we have broken here the $20,000 level once again, and how did I know that this is a likely scenario to be playing out here. So the reason is that Free Arrows Capital got a default notice from Voyager Capital because they had borrowed money from Voyager Capital in crypto, and they got a default notice that they need to pay back the loan and their interest, or they will liquidate the collateral that they took from Free Arrows Capital. So, and here you can see they have 15,250 Bitcoins in Voyager Capital that they have to liquidate to cover the $350 million loan. So, and now a British Virgin Island court reportedly has ordered the liquidation of Free AC because they cannot pay anymore. So, and exactly this is the reason why the market is dropping. It's first of all fear that's in the market, and the other reason why we are dropping is that I believe that they are already starting slowly to liquidate this Bitcoin position here. 15,000 Bitcoins dropping in the open market. That creates a lot of selling pressure, and in my opinion that is exactly what we are experiencing since here. I believe since yesterday. So when you look at this, that in my opinion coincided with the announcement of the British Virgin Islands with the liquidation notice, and from there we started snowballing down. Yeah, and that's basically in my opinion the reason why we see here this waterfall drop in Bitcoin right now. So, but what is the target? So when we're looking here on the Fibonacci levels, if we would just go based on the Fibonacci levels, sorry, I have to pull this the other way around. So then you see here the 1.618 would be the next logical target for the Bitcoin price, and that is sitting at 18,300, $18,400. There is the next level to watch here in the immediate short term for the Bitcoin price. I believe we can definitely reach that target and go even lower. So let's see where the free, here. So the 3.618 is actually what I'm personally looking at. I think the chances are increasing here more and more the longer Bitcoin is trading under $20,000, under $25,000, that we see here a move to the 2.618 and the 3.618 on the Fibonacci retracement levels for the Bitcoin price. So I definitely keep my short open that I have here on Bybit, which is here in nice profits, 20%, $60 right now. I trade here only with really small sums on the short side because I'm not a big shorter, I'm not a big fan of it. So I just short here with really small amounts. So if I hit my target, I make like $400. So that's for me absolutely fine. So yeah. So, but that is definitely the level that I'm looking at. If you also want to short Bitcoin, then don't forget on Bybit you still get $4,500 in bonuses if you use here my specific link, guys, so only the link here under my video works for this bonus. The same if you want to trade instead rather on BitGet, there you get $4,163 in free bonuses, also only with that specific link here, and 15% discount on the trading fees. And also don't forget that Bybit has still the trading competition going on. If you join my team, we can win together up to $8 million, and they're actually paying out every day different lotteries where you can for free take part in and try to win off the prizes that they daily are handing out. So they are like Bored Apes NFTs, Clone X NFTs, like USDT prices and all that kind of stuff. So definitely go and check that out. So now back to the Bitcoin price. So the next problem that we are facing is that since here the Corona drop, I expect here right now on the weekly chart that the Bitcoin price also drops out of this here, out of this channel here, out of this Gaussian channel. So, and that is obviously not good for Bitcoin. So, but it gives us a really, really unique buying opportunity for Bitcoin once we are dropping out here. So I will stack a lot of buy orders all the way down to $11,000. So I will have some at 17, some at 15, a lot at 13, and also at 11, just to make sure if we see here a really, really quick move to the downside, something like a V shape, something like this, where we see a massive move to the downside in a wick and directly back up, I definitely want to scoop up as many Bitcoins as possible as soon as we drop out of this channel here on that logarithmic curve. So that is definitely something that I'm looking at. So if we bounce from here already back to the upside, which I don't believe is quite likely right now, then I would also start buying here around the $25,000 level. Then I also start buying a lot of Bitcoins there, because then I would be convinced that we at least go into a range of 25-30K and then slowly move it back to the upside. But for now, I really believe that we could see a drop out of this channel here for the Bitcoin price, and that will be for the short term at least really, really bad price wise. So I saw here also something else. Another reason why we are dropping is also the ECB, the Europe Central Bank, is also warning that the inflation rates are never returning to pre-COVID level lows. So that is also a really, really bad, and I think that was also impacting the Bitcoin price today because that was just posted 37 minutes ago. So I'm also sure that this has also a macro influence on the Bitcoin price. Guys, that's it already for today. I wanted just to give you a really quick update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.